Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Twitch. So the first step is to click on your profile picture and go to settings. Then you're gonna have to go to security and privacy and scroll down until you see here security, and as you can see two-factor authentication, you're gonna have to simply click on setup and then simply click on enable, and then you're gonna have to use your phone number. So after you use your phone number, this will be the first layer of security. Now after you do that, you're gonna be able to set up an app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft one to basically add an extra layer of security. So you're gonna have to simply enable first of all the text message, and then you're gonna be able to enable the authenticator app from here. So basically guys, that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.